You are watching news on TV. Floods are reported in one part of the world. In another part, there is a severe drought. Does it sound strange to you that floods and droughts should occur at the same time? The reason for this strange coexistence is the uneven distribution of water across the countries of the world. Even within a country, water resources are unequally distributed across regions. While there are deserts that receive scanty rainfall, there are humid regions that receive bountiful rainfall. 17% of the total world population is in India. But to support it, India has only 4% of the world's fresh water resources. As a result, India is facing acute water shortage. The situation is likely to worsen with population growing at a fast pace.